Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money vanish while others seem to effortlessly trade their way to wealth? What if I told you there's a way to transform a modest investment of just $100 into nearly $2,000 every 15 days? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Join me as we dive into the Forex Wealth Code, an opportunity unlike any other. Imagine being guided by a 3-time world trading champion, Tashko, who has cracked the code to Forex trading. This exclusive workshop is designed for everyone, from complete beginners to seasoned investors looking to refine their skills. Tashko will share his revolutionary trading strategy that takes mere minutes to execute and can thrive in any market condition, whether it's soaring or plummeting. Within this workshop, you'll unlock the secrets to achieving life-changing profits with minimal risk. The Forex market can be intimidating, with countless strategies that often lead to confusion and losses. But with Tashko's tried and tested approach, you'll discover a clear, actionable plan that demystifies Forex trading. Picture it, no more sleepless nights worrying about your investments or being tied to screens for hours on end. Instead, you'll gain the confidence to make informed decisions quickly, allowing you to engage with the market effectively. Whether you're aiming to build a side income or seeking financial freedom, this is your chance to step into the world of Forex with a roadmap to success. So, are you ready to transform your financial future? Don't let this opportunity slip by. Click the link below to join Tashko in this life-altering workshop. Empower yourself with the knowledge to turn your investment dreams into a reality and start your journey to wealth today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on achieving your financial goals. Join the community, and let's grow our wealth together.